Good morning, traders. YINN. We have the $55 puts. It's right here on the channel. Okay. And we have the $50 puts. We have both. We have the $55 puts. People have been viewing it. It was the right thing to do to protect the account. All of our put trades on the Chinese economy are paying off. The stimulus did not act out. We're going to continue to hold the $55 puts. Let me refresh your memory on the Chinese play. Right here on our website, $55 puts. Protect me today. I put that trade on 6 days ago, and it was the right thing to do. And we also have puts. We have $30 calls on the China FXI, but we also have 37.50 puts. The leader, ASHR, we have puts. You can see the chart. It too is the leader and is coming down on the Chinese trade. The Chinese puts are paying super big money. Once again, buy now, pay later. Don't you miss it up to all of my Chinese friends around the world. We also covered ASHR. We also have the $60 puts on the MCHI versus the $40 call. Yeah, we're well protected on these Chinese trades. That stimulus right there did not come through. And we have puts on all of it, every last thing. And we're going to hold them until things change. Okay, OKLO. Don't miss that big investment. But YINN and all our Chinese plays are getting killed. But we're not getting killed because we have protection.